way to start my relaxing self-care routine than a glass of wine and lighting some really good 3-wick candles. Rose-hip scented bath petals not only add a sense of luxury, but also further relaxation to my at-home spa bath time routine. Next, before I start my bath, I love to find a really good playlist, and today I was really feeling my old school R&B playlist. Post-bath, I really do want to pay special attention to any cellulite, stretch marks, or hyperpigmentation that I might have. While I steam my face, I wanted to make sure that I wrote in my journal for today, and I really have been loving the journals by Kyla Shea. I find them to be very just manifesting and aesthetically pleasing. Then I quickly went into my face mask, my feet mask, and also my hand mask. Loving the Cream Shop's not only their face mask but also their acne pimple patches. So if you ever go into Ulta, it's worth trying. I think that it's really just affordable and it adds to your self-care. today's video, I wanted to try a new way of doing my nails. I actually have been watching people on TikTok apply their press-on nails using this method, but for this video, I won't go into the nitty-gritty details. I do find that they are strong and durable, but in my vlog, I will go into further detail on how I do it, what products I use, and how long they last. I just really do love to do my nails for self-care. I find that that makes me feel more feminine and more put together. So now that I am done with my self-care, my beauty maintenance, my skin maintenance, and my nails, we're gonna move on to face. And for my face, I will be using Merit Beauty. Merit Beauty is a clean beauty brand that has a holistic approach to beauty. So what I love about Merit Beauty is that they're vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and sulfate-free. Merit makes products that are not only safe for the planet, but they're safe for your skin and your body. So I really do love that about beauty. And if I can find a brand that's clean, the products work, and their quality, I just love that. So right now I'm just taking my highlighting balm in the shade Citron, and I'm just putting that on places that I want to highlight on my body because it just makes my skin super popping. So I'm like putting these on my high points, and it's not like too overwhelming. It just makes my skin look super glowy. So I'm gonna put that on my body, and I'm actually gonna put some on my fingers. Actually, I'm gonna put it directly on my face. And then I'm going to just take my hands and pat that in. This product is super just high quality and clean, and I just love that about Merit Beauty. Also for lip gloss, I just put on this lip gloss by Merit Beauty, and it's in the color Bel Air. Now I'm just going to take the brow shade, and this is the color Brown Black, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Also with Merit Beauty, I really love their packaging of their boxes. And I just love how these look. These are super cute. And this is just my self-care routine. I feel like I look good, I feel good, I cater to my body. And now for the rest of today, I will be going ahead and focusing on productivity. Thank you for watching this routine. I hope that you guys were able to feel the vibes. If you are watching this video, make sure that you cultivate a good self-care routine. My routine may look different from yours. I spend some of my time watching other people's content and just not really giving myself any attention. So today's self-care routine really did help me dial back into myself and put myself first. So now I can be productive in my own life, and I just feel good. I look good, I feel good on the inside. I'm really ready to start my day. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe now. Comment down below, and then watch the next video. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted.